We're heading out.
No, wear a sweater. Because it's a sweater weather. Plus a jacket.
Since we're walking to Eiffel Tower again. I think we eat a lot though. We have to work out somehow. But I just wish that I brought better shoes. But it's so cold. Ah, oh my hair. So this is where they filmed Inception. It looks cool. Whoa. I might give up on my bangs because look at my hair. Oh, the Eiffel Tower! Yay! Yeah, Paris definitely has a different feel during the day and night. During the day and night. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. Eiffel Tower, Eiffel Tower. The street is beautiful. And I love how nobody's really walking this way. It's really nice.
How come I felt like it was a shorter walk?
Oh, it's because I think we have more to see. This was definitely longer though. So pretty. We came to this place to pick up some eclair. I got a coffee flavor and chocolate. This is the chocolate eclair. Oh my god. I thought it would taste like pasta cream.
That's what you said to me.
Because like the idea is the same. But it tastes so good. Oh my god. Wow. And it's kind of cold. And this one is, oh, they fill it in like that. On the bottom. This one's the coffee flavor.
Déjeuner.
I feel like the chocolate one better. Want to bite? You have to. It's not that sweet. Right? I thought it would be super sweet. It's pretty good. This sounds really good too. Oh my god. I was gonna only eat half of it each. I think the chocolate one's good. Oh my god, now I really wanna hit a lot of pastry cups. Right? You like this one better? I like the chocolate one better. I should have bought more. That was so good. I didn't go to like one of the famous pastry shops. I just went to the one by our Airbnb, and it's still really good. I mean, I know that some places might be better, but the fact that I'm in Paris, where I am, and just trying out these stuff is enough for me, to be honest. And I could not get my hands off on these bonbons. It's so good. I'm definitely gonna take some back. I'm going to try this creme brulee that I got from Franprix. I think this is sugar. I think I'm supposed to put it on top of it.
Yeah, so it becomes
and then I have to put it in the mini oven. What degree?
야.
350 될까? Voila! Take this guy to inside here. I only need to do it for 2 minutes, but there's really no option for 2 minutes, so I'm just gonna keep my eye on it. Oh, this burger is hungry again. So I'm going to use the leftovers and make carbonara. So I'm just boiling some water, so I'm going to use this leftover pasta. And eggs, we have some fresh eggs, so we're gonna use that.
Is it oishi?
If they sell this something like this, I would totally just torch it.
Oh, if we had a torch, right?
맛있어.
Oh, is that what they do? Oh.
Guys, oh my god. Oh my god, this is so good. Babe, try it. Try it, babe.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. 맛있지? I think I'm really gonna bring some of this pasta. It's so good.
Is the pasta that's good?
I don't know. Everything's good.
It's okay.
아, 나 좋아했어. 맛있다. Good morning. Oh my god, my camera is so dirty. Good morning, everyone. It's past lunchtime, but we're about to head out to grab some lunch. There's this There's this French restaurant right by our area. It's a 4-minute walk. We're gonna head there, grab some French food. I think they do courses, but you can also get a la carte. So that's what we're gonna do because we're not planning to eat that much. Oh my gosh, I've been eating so much. I'm just munching on everything. I always get some like sugary stuff at the markets. So I'm like kind of scared to weigh myself when I'm back in the States.
Babe. I've already seen my body change.
We might break the scale. So every clothes we are trying on fits differently.
Are you talking about yourself or to me?
Indirectly to you. I don't think I'm getting used to the time, like the sleeping hours, but
Not me.
he's having a hard time.
I'm such a sensitive princess.
You're a princess. I'm more of a
Butthole.
butthole. Yes. The owner brought us the menu and explained this to us really nicely. So I'm gonna get the entrecôte grill, sauce pepper, potatoes, maison. And he's getting filet of beef with the onion jam and sauteed potatoes. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Wow. Oh, smell. So like rare.
Delicious. Delicious. Delicious.
got sorbet for dessert.
Strawberry.
Strawberry, peach,
Apricot.
apricot. Strawberry is good.
Oh, good.
This one's so good. Peach one is so good. This is mango.
Something different.
This is for sure mango. I think it's mango. Yeah, I don't
Try
think
the
that.
strawberry bit.
This is mango. Peach is my favorite.
This one's strawberry is good. Peach doesn't taste like peach, no?
But I like it. Shopaholic! Look what we got from Monoprix. Lots of souvenirs. Going back to our Airbnb. Well, we got a lot of stuff. Most of them are souvenirs. We thought about getting like I love Paris or some kind of like Eiffel Tower sweater or something like that, but it just seemed like too not Paris. So I got these Monoprix brand noodles. Not noodles, some certain pasta. Got two different kinds. I'm most likely gonna keep these two, but I bought extra for my friends. And then I bought some tea. I got a bunch of tea. And I got Kinder Bueno. A lot of you guys recommended this to me on my Instagram when I asked on my Instagram snap story. So I got the small. There was a bigger one, but I got a smaller one. I'm just gonna try one and see if it's good, and then maybe I'll share with people. Oh, it's really cool. It's like a little thing on the side. And you could just take one off. That is so neat. And it's still intact. So you wanna try one?
What?
The Bueno, Kinder Bueno. It looks like this.
No, can I get a bite?
Yeah. Mmm. What is this? So good. Mmm. Kind of reminds me of Kit Kat. But more milky. It reminds me of Kit Kat a lot. Mmm. I got some soap. Cookie soap. Savon de Marseille. If you open it, it looks like it's individually packaged. Oh, it smells so good. And then I thought this would be a good gift, because if they don't want to use the soap in here and carry it around like that, they could just use this box. It's really cute, right? And it says made in France. It smells good. And then I got this another, like a chocolate version of the Madeleine. Ooh. Oh, these are big. Look, it's so cute. Oh, super chocolatey. Mmm. Kind of brownie like. Mmm. So bomb.
This is coming.
Oh, it smells like baguette. But it's raining. Is that it? Bonjour.
Bonjour. On est bien à Versailles.
Oui.
Oui.
So gloomy and cold.
I think they do a baggage check.
It's so cold. Oh my gosh. And it's raining. We are inside Versailles. We got the audio. The guy asked me, Japanese? I'm like, no. He's like, no? I'm like, yes, English please. I thought about getting Korean because I understand Korean pretty well too. But got Anglais. So basically you just like put it to your, like a cell phone, and certain areas says like auto, meaning like some place, not everywhere has that like a auto guide. So I'm going to try to film a little bit, but I don't want to film all of it. You know, I kind of want to enjoy the thing.
So this is 202.
So we just finished touring the Palace de Versailles. It was great, it was amazing. We'll talk about it more, but we're walking right now. A lot of people are looking at me. But
There's nobody here.
oh, I know. But thank goodness it stopped raining. Oh, it's still cold, but it's okay. It's not raining, so I could handle it. How beautiful the street is. So pretty. Bye Versailles, Palace of Versailles, bye. So our lunch, we came to this place called Classe Crue restaurant. Basically you order sandwiches and you can pick up pasta and like salads. Pick up the pasta, they warm it up for you. So we got some salad and this pasta they warmed up for us. Salad.
And then this. I don't know what's this called.
This pasta. Salad.
This is so cute.
Oh, and this is Italian sandwich. Like Italian. And then we got some quiche. You try the pasta?
Yeah, here, try this. It's like a ham and egg.
quiche. quiche 안 먹었어.
That's quinoa, right?
It looks like rice. Big. Wow. And we didn't get to see the gardens because we got the cheapest ticket. I don't know, if it was like
really in this weather.
yeah. I think if it was like really sunny today and it's like super beautiful, I think I would have just bought the ticket, but it was cold.
Barely nobody was out there anyway.
Yeah, a lot of people didn't go outside.